Okay, so now we're gonna do the tutorial how you fill up the IV bag and attach it to SimMom. So this bag is empty and it has the different parts of it, like the primary tubing. So you'd attach it. Now this one has distilled water in it, but I just want to show you how you would have to do it. You buy this distilled water and you feed it in with the syringe. Okay, so it tightens on. Any standard syringe will tighten into it, and you mix it. Okay, after you do that, then I get the tubing. Now this part I'm gonna show you is very difficult. You're supposed to have another female adapter that goes into that, but I'm gonna show you how you can jerry rig it. Okay, so we screw it back on. All right, we clamp it off here, and this is the drip chamber here. So what I already did, I was cheap. We didn't want to buy the part. So you see I have another extension, a primary and extension set. I cut the tip off, the last part, left the hole, and I'm going to join it together. All right, so this is a temporary fix. That way you don't have to spend any money. Now, once this is on like this, you don't have to worry about it leaking, okay, because that's an airtight seal. So then we bring it back over to SimMom's port. I'll just hang this, all right, on the compressed air adapter, and then we just connect it here. And that's it. It's that simple. So you don't have to spend all this money buying extra parts. Okay. Here's SimMom. And then later, I'll just tape it down. We'll tape it around her finger. So if you want to give IV push medications, you already have a port here, and we can still put that in, and it won't leak. All right, and that's it. Thank you.